Transportation service in Silver Spring, Maryland. When you need reliable and professional transportation service in Silver Spring, Maryland, RnH Transportation is your go-to choice for seamless travel experiences. Whether you're organizing a corporate event, planning a family outing, or simply require a dependable airport transfer, our dedicated team ensures a smooth, hassle-free ride tailored to meet your needs. RnH Transportation boasts a modern fleet of meticulously maintained vehicles, designed with your comfort, safety, and convenience in mind. From stylish buses to luxurious charter options, we serve a variety of events, including weddings, corporate functions, and group excursions. We offer fully customizable services, ensuring your transportation is perfectly aligned with your schedule and preferences, so you can focus on enjoying your event without any worries. Our highly trained drivers are professionals who prioritize exceptional customer service, with an in-depth knowledge of the Silver Spring area to guarantee prompt arrivals and efficient travel routes. With RnH Transportation, you can trust that your travel plans are in the hands of experts committed to delivering top-notch service. If you require a one-time transfer or ongoing transportation solutions, RnH Transportation offers a premium travel experience that combines style and comfort. Call us today at 443-800-6300 to reserve your ride or learn more about our exceptional services. Experience a new standard of transportation with RnH Transportation in Silver Spring, Maryland, where quality, reliability, and attention to detail come together for every journey.